Nkatha ya munino Rais Pastor DORCAS RIGATHI noretie mwingi guchumiria kugwata mbaru ikaro bya Gucokaniiria Mitugo kenda gucokaniiria mugongo arite juja ari juja county ya Kiambu ndira harariungirite ayuthi barabara uritanine bwa Gucokaniiria Mitugo kumania na mbugita.
And he's also training the young people how to draw cartoons as a sign of rehabilitating the young people.
Mimi kwa jina naita Robin Akelo, sasa hiyo jina ya kadogo ni ya mtaa. Ninashukuru sana, wanatuletea maneno mzuri, sasa tunabadilika, hatuwauzii pombe, tunauzia chakula. Na nikasema Mama Boy, asante sana kwa kukuja hapa, kututembelea na kutupea nguvu. Mtuombee tu Mungu, tuache hiyo mambo ya madawa, ya pombe, hiyo ninawashukuru.
Asante sana. Your Excellency,
at least every sub-county, including Kiaba, are practicing this initiative, and so many of addicts are getting reformed, going back to productive society. Families have begun embracing them and seeing them as sick people. They are no longer now hating them or chasing them away from their homes, because you advised us to begin training them, families and community, that these people, if they are held up and helped, they can start again. And Your Excellency, you have seen them starting up again and doing great things.
Many of these children are going out into the streets because of broken families, separated families, divorced families, and families that have gender-based violence. So our men are going out there. These are, hata mukisikia nikiwaita maboys, these are men, these are fathers, these are leaders. And I know in the future, they are our economic drivers. Community-based rehabilitation have become proven to provide positive results world over. As a nation, Kenya and its development partners will not shy away from this line of argument towards community-integrated rehabilitation process. We must allow the society to embrace the outcomes of these endeavors, especially those that have reformed.